Okay, so right now we're doing rusty valve covers. What we're running into is usually I cover this where the gasket goes, but if you look how rusty it is, it needs to be cleaned up. So I'm taping it off on the inside corner so we can blast the edge and not get inside. And then when we go to powder, we will cover this whole bottom so powder doesn't get on that corner. So right now we will start blasting on the edge.
Carry on my wayward son. There'll be peace when you are done. Lay your weary head to rest. Don't you cry no more. Once I rose above the noise and confusion, just to get a glimpse beyond this illusion. I was soaring ever higher, but I flew too high. Though my eyes could see, I still was a blind man. Though my mind could think, I still was a madman. I hear the voices when I'm dreaming. I can hear them say, carry on my wayward son. There'll be peace when you are done. Lay your weary head to rest. Don't you cry no more. Masquerading as a man with a reason. My charade is the event of the season. And if I claim to be a wise man, it surely means that I don't know.
Hey guys, so as you see, this video is mixed between valve covers, gates, jewelry, a whole bunch of stuff. So right now, everything's all prepped. So now we're gonna start working on powder. We're using the old KKHD because I have the little containers for it. So it'll be easier for me to switch out between them on all the jewelry that we're doing instead of cleaning out a cup over and over. So we'll be using this. Hopefully it's wrapping around because it's hard to get exactly every spot. Looks good to me. What do you think?
I like that color.
So many pieces. Hopefully. Yes. Okay, now we're doing a troll blue. The last one was RAL 4005 purple. Now we're doing a troll blue. It's clinging good. I mean, I'm happy with that. See?
There's a lot more bracelets for blue than there were purple.
Yep.
On a stormy sea of moving emotion, tossed about like a ship on the ocean. I set a course for winter fortune, but I hear the voices say, carry on my wayward son. There'll be peace when you are done. Lay your weary head to rest. Don't you cry no more. No!
Okay, now we are doing Passion Pink. Holy shit, that's vibrant.
That was a lot.
That is some vibrant. Why is not my ear not on?
No, it's because I unplugged it because you couldn't hear the guy.
I'm not a pink person, but I kind of like that color.
That's like right.
I know. It's like a neon. I actually,
That's what it looks like when it comes out.
I kind of like it, even though I'm not like into pink.
That's more of
Okay,
Like a hot-
Gary, can you grab me a beer or a beer bottle, please?
like you're the beer and still drinking. You didn't set it up first. Wow, it covers quick too.
That's something my mom would buy.
I wonder if powder coat will work on here.
Okay.
You don't know how you met me, you don't know why you can't turn around and say goodbye. All you know is when I'm with you, I make you free and swim through your veins like a fish in the sea. I'm singing, follow me, everything is alright. I'll be the one to tuck you in at night. And if you want to leave, I can guarantee you won't find nobody else like me. I'm not worried about the ring you wear, 'cause as long as no one knows, then nobody can care. You're feeling guilty and I'm well aware.
Hey guys, so now we're working on these Ford valve covers. We're going to do them in King Sport Gray, and then we're going to put Clear Vision Clear Coat on top of them for added protection. They're rough. We're putting a smooth powder on it, so of course you're going to be able to tell that it's not going to be smooth, but I think the color is going to look awesome with this, so we'll just see how it turns out. Okay, I'm not actually liking this tip, so we are going to pop this off. A little smaller one? No, it's a flat tip. Oh, after using the Reaper powder coating system, I used to love this. Now it just doesn't compare to that system. But we're having issues. I'm having seen issues with the Faraday cage right in the creases here, so that's why we're going with the flat. Maybe we can push it in a little bit more. Oh, a lot better. Okay. We're going to put them in, we'll go to flow out, and then we're going to take them back out, look them over. We're going to make sure there's no light spots. And then we're going to do clear coat. So if there's light spots, we'll do another light coat of this. If there's clear coat, if there's no light spots, we're going to do a clear vision over it. Okay guys, so we got these done. They're in King Sport Gray. We took them out. We did a second coat of the King Sport Gray lightly. Now we're going to do the clear vision on it, just for added protection. Unfortunately, we did not get any pictures of when we first got these, and they're trashed. That way there's no comparison. We've had a lot going on. Everything you see in this video we did today, so it's like 3 or 4 other projects. So unfortunately we missed a step with this one, but we're gonna see if it's clear sticks, and if it doesn't, we'll adjust our KV. So right now we have our KV around 20, 10, and our microamps are probably around the same, about 20.
But you don't look ashamed, and baby, I'm not scared. I'm singing, follow me, everything is alright. I'll be the one to tuck you in at night.